Welcome to the final leg of our journey. Today, we leave the boardwalks behind and head deep into the heart of the open savanna. This is the Nairobi National Park most people imagine. A vast, wild space where the rules of nature still hold sway. In the early light, the park's apex predators are on the move. Prides of lions navigate these plains, often hunting in the shadow of the city. Her focus is absolute. In this compressed ecosystem, every hunt is a vital part of the delicate balance. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. While lions claim the plains, the leopard is the master of the shadows, hiding in the rocky gorges and acacia woodlands. And then there's the cheetah, the world's fastest land animal, preferring the open grass to the south for its high-speed chases. These predators follow the great herds. Thousands of wildebeest and zebras still call these plains home. But this isn't just a park, it's part of a larger ecosystem. The southern boundary remains open to the Kitengela dispersal area. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Historically, tens of thousands migrated through this gap. Today, human settlement and fencing present new challenges for conservation. Groups like the Friends of Nairobi National Park work tirelessly with local communities to keep this vital corridor open. Look to the skies. From October to April, the park hosts millions of migratory birds from across the globe. The European bee-eater is a jewel of the savanna, a colorful reminder of the park's global significance. Near the water, the stoic waterbuck keeps watch. Every creature here plays a role in this urban wilderness. The massive eland, the largest of the antelopes, moves with a surprising grace across the open plains. This is the core irony and triumph of Nairobi National Park, a prehistoric world surviving in the heart of a 21st century metropolis. It is a compressed ecosystem, a fragile urban Eden that reminds us of the raw beauty we must strive to protect. Our walking tour comes to an end, but the story of this park continues with every sunrise. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world's wildlife capital. Until next time, keep exploring the wild heart of Kenya. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.